Okay, hello everyone. So, I'll be showing you how to run your C++ program in Sublime, allowing it to display in a command window or command prompt. No, this is we're running under Windows. So, first you need to have your Sublime Text, and then let's create a new C++ file here. Let's call it hello world.cpp. Then click on yes. Then let's drag this one to our Sublime, and then let's have a simple hello world here. So just include stream name space std, and then int main. So then just see out hello world. So if you run this one, you can issue the command B to compile, and it will generate the executable file. So just issue the command B, but before that, go to tools and then select the C++ single file build system. Then issue the command B. As you can see, it will say that it's finished now. Then if you go back in our directory, you can see here the .exe file now. So we can click on this and then it will execute. However, there's no system pause. That's why you can see the output. So let's add the system pause greater than 0. Then let's compile it again. Then let's run the program. So you can see it displays hello world. The problem here is that when you start asking for an input, for example int n, and then c in n, then let's see out n, no, so let's add a new line here. So if we compile this one now, and go back here, we need to open every now and then the executable file now. So what we want is that when we run and compile our program, it will automatically open the command window or command prompt. So to do that, we need to create our new build system here. So click on tools, build system, then select on new build system. Then you need to copy and paste this one. So just check on this link. So this is, again, we're running under Windows. So let's just copy this one here. This is from the GitHub, and then let's paste it here. Then we need to save this one. You may issue Ctrl Shift S on our file save as, and then I'll call this one, since we're using C++ 14, so CPP or C++ 14, then I'll just add CMD, no, or you can just leave it C++ 14 like that, then enter or save. Then you can go back to your program and then click on the tools, build system, and then you'll see here the C++ 14. Then with that, if we issue the command B, or if we compile the code, it will automatically open a new window. So, and it will display the output there. So let's try command B or control B, and then you can see it shows the hello world and the input. Let's input 12 for example, then n is 12, and just enter, then there you have it. So if you're going to compile and run your program in Sublime and you want to automatically show the command window, you may create your own build system and add this command here, so that it won't be hassle for you to go back and forth now outside the text editor, going back to the executable file and just clicking it just to run it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you in setting up your Sublime, and hope to see you in the next one. You may also check my previous setup for Sublime using Mac OS. Now I will put it in the end of this video. So again, thank you guys.